In this video, we'll look at setting up access and managing your accounts in My Tax Account. Make sure you have either a statement of account, notice of amount due, notice of overdue tax, or notice of referred debt letter from the Department of Revenue in front of you. Step 1. Log into My Tax Account. If you aren't logged into My Tax Account, do that now. You will receive a security code that you need to enter with your username and password. Remember, you will receive a new security code each time you log in. Here's a tip. Before you log in the next time, select Yes under Trust this browser to avoid the security code step each time you log in. However, if you log in for the first time with another browser or computer, or your browser cookies were deleted, you will be prompted to request a new security code. Step 2. Add access to accounts. From the I Want To list in the upper right-hand corner, select Add Access to an Account. Select Register Personal Accounts to add access to your personal account with a balance due. Refer to your letter from the Department of Revenue. Select the tax account type, enter your Social Security number and letter ID or collection case number mentioned in your letter. Click Submit. You'll get a confirmation that you have added access to that account. Repeat this step for each tax account you want to add to your profile by clicking Home and then Add Access to an Account. If you're a first-time user, after you have added your accounts, it's important you log off and log back in to get all the options to manage your accounts. Step 3. Managing your accounts. After you log back in, you can now manage your account. Your I Want To options are customized for your account. To pay towards a collection balance, click Manage My Collection. Under Pay My Balance, click Pay. Select the collection you want to make a payment on today. Set your payment source. Choose either checking or savings and enter your banking information. You can save this bank information as your default for future payments. The total amount due for that debt appears. If you're not paying the full balance, click No. Then add the amount you want to pay. Confirm the amount and submit. After you submit and agree the information you reported is correct, you'll see a confirmation page. If you have questions about your accounts, contact the agent listed on your letter.